Welcome back, YouTubers. Yes, I am still alive and I still own my Ford Focus. It's sunny but extremely windy. I've got a few things in my hand. So what can I be doing today? Well, let's head over to the car and I shall explain, because it's too windy. Way too windy. Well, as I said, welcome back to my channel. I've still got my Focus ST, and yes, where have I been? Well, looking around my car. Quick hello. I've just been really busy, like everybody else. Life has taken over. I've been doing a few things, not that much to the car. I've not fitted my splitter yet, but that's going to be coming up in a future video. But today's video, and get this is how exciting this is going to be. I'm going to be cleaning these. I know. See if I can get it to focus, Paul. That would help, wouldn't it? Eh? The channel here, not my channel, but this channel of the car, it's gone a bit green. Bit gross, isn't it? But this side, for some unknown reason, is perfectly fine. But I will do that anyway. So all I've really got is my detailing brush, a slightly stiffer plastic brush, and some upholstery cleaner. And every time I get in my car, I'm literally like, I must do this bit down here. It's just, yeah, can you see what I'm on about? It's just not good. And my car's not like that. But effectively, I've not actually cleaned the car decently this year. I've given it the light wash, but some of you that will know, who follow me regularly, I tend to give my cars a real deep clean once a year, and then just top up the clean, which is probably the best way. But I've not had an opportunity this summer. A lot of things going on. As I may have mentioned, I do a Friday breakfast show on a local radio station, and yeah, it takes a long time to put together. Plus, I've also got my main job and other activities I do. Mainly eating cake and drinking tea, but there you go. Right, so let's get on with the actual video itself. As I said, I want to clean these. Lots of little things I want to do on the car, but as I say, let's hoping that the weather gets better. This isn't really a how-to, because I'm literally just going to spray this stuff, which is just any old upholstery cleaner would do. Probably even hot water would do, actually. Maybe even cold water, who knows. But yeah, let's get on and do this for you. there we go, all is done. Let me show you the cloth. Yes. And yeah, that was just literally that one channel there. Things look a bit green here, and here that's obviously the reflection from the grass and how the light reflects, because you can see it on the top of the door, see? Yeah, but that's a million times better. Obviously I've got the glass to go through, do that. But in general, yeah. And I know it's really, really silly, but it was basically, I was driving along and you could see just ever so tiny bit of green, and I was like, that bugs me just ever so slightly. As I say, the other side's not too bad, but I'll give it a go anyway, as you can see, but pretty clean. I don't know whether that's because of the way the car's parked, or because literally that window very rarely gets open. Occasionally somebody sits there, but you know, it slows the car down, you know, so yeah. Right, as per usual, if you could do the thing, click on the like button if you enjoyed it. As I say, it's an extremely short video. Things are still going on with the car, but as I say, a lot of things are going on. I've got to do an oil change soon. Car's currently sat at 99,000, hey? Wow, I think I've put, trying to think now, how many miles I've put on the car since I've owned it in 3 years. Yeah, probably about 6,000 to 7,000. Not many, but it's still going really well. As I say, I've got my front splitter to go on, but the weather's just been shocking, and I've still not resolved how I'm going to get up and down the drive. I may actually have to give in and raise the car up a little bit, which is something I don't want to do. Well, that's going to wrap this one up for me, I think. So yeah, apologies for the absence, but I've been really enjoying my other job, my radio job. It's just absolute riot. It's such a hoot. It's something I should have done years and years and years ago. So between that and between this, it's just been a difficult balance. But I think now, I kind of know where my heart lies, but I'm going to go and wash my hands. Not like me to have dirty hands. And yeah, I will catch you in a future video. And as I say, I hope to be back very soon. All right. Wow.